2750 weekly index put option, 2750, 2820. Here's that reversal. Our entry, we created the low. 3790 is a high. 1730 was a close. That's our print. And we're teaching our MMTs how to steal illiquid options on indexes. Oh, right there's the exit. Congratulations. And then there's that bid and ask, and it was all about that reversal. Okay, so there's still a big move. 37.90 is $10 higher. So now go ahead and put your bid back out at 24.50. Put your bid back out at 24.50. We have a complete reversal on that NASDAQ 100, and it's all about ringing that cash register because there's only 8 on the volume. And let me tell you, it's how to make the market and how to be in that bid and that ask and how to create that low print. And we did. We created 25.40 as a market maker and sold it back at 28.20. But you had to get somebody in here because there's no volume. And it's a weekly NASDAQ 100 27.50 put. And when you had reversal up here at the high, then that low bid held and we just came out of it because it's not about, they're very illiquid, so you have to have the skill of limiting out. And we could break lower, and we can continue to go higher. We'll deal with that right now. That's how you buy a NASDAQ weekly 27.50 put. And we can give that one to MMT Mr. Plain, who got in there, worked with the bid and ask, got hit, got out on the offer, because there's no volume. They're illiquid. You could speculate after the fact, everyone, all you freaking want, because you can always get back in and make another $10 as well. So let's let the truth be known today at 8:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 4/9/2012, and the skill of identifying reversals and how to work a weekly index option at wholesale, lowest of the day, and then entering out where you can make the bid eat your price. So you make the bid. As the bid rises, you make the bid eat it because there's no volume on the exit. Once again, you can learn all of this at our market maker division called Weekly Options. They start at about $3,500 calendar weekly. However, I will tell you, even with that $3,500 weekly price, if you know how to get that wholesale bid and you're following along with me, well, you know, hey, if you're looking for that wholesale bid, then of course it's worth it. We all know that because a wholesale bid is worth a lot more than $3,500, and I'll tell you that right now because that coin is being made in every direction, but you have to have the skill to do it. So let's get on board right now. It'll teach you to take the profit. Congratulations. How to trade a weekly NASDAQ 100 index option, which is correlated to the NASDAQ composite.